Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for all things beauty.
Today, we're talking about the best Clinique Black Honey Lipstick available in the market. The Clinique Chubby Stick Moisturizing Lip Color Balm in Mega Melon. Let's dive into the details of this amazing product.
The Clinique Chubby Stick Moisturizing Lip Color Balm is a super nourishing tinted lip balm enriched with mango and shea butter. It leaves your lips with a subtle sheen, perfect for an everyday natural look. One of the key benefits of this Clinique lip color is its mistake-proof application. It hydrates and nourishes your lips while providing a beautiful, natural-looking color. Plus, it's easy to use on the go. No mirror required. To use this hydrating lip balm, simply apply it directly to your lips. For a more defined look, outline your lips first and then fill in with the color. The best part? It never needs sharpening, simply swivel up to reveal more lip color balm. Customers have been raving about the color, moisturizing properties, and ease of application of the Clinique Chubby Stick Moisturizing Lip Color Balm. It's a versatile product that looks great on almost any skin tone, keeps your lips moisturized, and glides on smoothly. With its wide range of shades and long-lasting formula, it's no wonder why this product is a customer favorite. Whether you're looking for a subtle pop of color or a hydrating lip balm, the Clinique Chubby Stick has got you covered. That's it for today's review of the Clinique Chubby Stick Moisturizing Lip Color Balm in Mega Melon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty product reviews.
Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.